This is my building. This is the backyard. And this is snowstorm number 2. And you can see the whole backyard of the building is filled with snow. The ledge is also covered with snow here. And we're 19 stories up, so you can imagine what type of snowstorm was blowing to put that there. These are the buildings across the street. And there's a railroad track, a commercial railroad track going all the way up to Queens. The blanket of snow and is covering every part of Queens, which is on that side. And straight across, right as a crow flies, is Kennedy Airport. No life. Everything is gone, completely covered by snow. On this side, you can also see the Jamaica Bay. Well, you would see the Jamaica Bay, but that's gone as well. The main roads are cleared, but the secondary roads are still blocked. And this is snowstorm number 2. The schools are closed. Second time in 2 weeks, and this has not happened in over 12 years. You can see guys walking on the street who are itinerant snow cleaners. They get hired and they get paid for the work they do, and they make a fair amount of money, $10 a half an hour, and they usually work all day, so good for them. Snowstorm number 2, 2010.